This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include the Toyota Entune infotainment system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a CD player, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Andy Moore Toyota is Indiana's premier Toyota dealership to purchase new Toyotas, used cars, and Toyota certified pre-owned vehicles. Located in Avon and serving the greater Indianapolis metro area, we currently stock over 600 new, used, and certified pre-owned vehicles. Visit us today at 8941 East US Highway 36 or see us online at andymoretoyota.net.